I am going to prepare Adharv's fluffy magic omelette. Come, let's prepare together. I'll tell the ingredients now. 2 eggs, 1 pinch of salt, pepper, onion, bowl and cheese. First let's cut the onion. Now we have cut the onion. Now let's break the egg with spoon. Now let's break the second egg. Now let's add 1 pinch of salt. Now let's add 1 pinch of pepper. Now let's add cheese. Now let's add onion. Now I will say the magic ingredients. Come. Now I added small amount of milk in my bowl. Now we will prepare Adharv's fluffy magic omelette. First we will keep the bowl inside the microwave. Set the timer 2 minutes. Let's wait 2 minutes. Now it is done. Let's take it out and mix. And again, let's keep 2 minutes. I have mixed well. Let's keep it again 2 minutes. Let's wait for 2 minutes. Now it's done. We will transfer it to plate. Now I'm going to sprinkle dried mint leaves. Adharv's fluffy magic omelette is ready.